Hello everyone, we're entering an exciting new chapter for our parish, one that's all about making your work easier, faster, and more connected. On July 1st, 2026, we officially go live with our new Enterprise Resource Planning System, or ERP, powered by INFOR, which will replace the outdated AS400 system. This is the largest internal project that the parish has ever undertaken and will touch every parish department and many agencies, improving how our data is processed and reported. It is more than just a system upgrade. It's a transformation in how we manage our finances, support our employees, and deliver services to our community. With the new system, you'll have real-time access to the information you need right at your fingertips. You'll be able to easily view your payroll details, manage your benefits, and access your historical performance evaluations anytime and anywhere. But the benefits don't stop there. We're also modernizing sourcing and procurement, making it faster and more transparent to manage bids, contracts, and purchasing. To make this transition successful, there'll be a temporary system blackout as we complete the final steps from June 13th, 2026 through June 30th, 2026. During this time, some financial, procurement, and human resource functions will be limited or unavailable as we complete data conversion and system validation. We ask everyone to plan ahead, meet key deadlines, and take advantage of the training resources being provided. Because when we go live, we want every member of our Jefferson Parish team to feel confident and ready. This investment is about you, our Jefferson Parish employees, and giving you the tools to succeed. If you have any questions regarding this transition, please contact jpinfor@jeffparish.gov or reach out to the change champion in your department. You can also visit our website for training materials. Again, I'd like to thank each and every one of our employees for your dedication, your flexibility, and your commitment to Jefferson Parish. Together, we're building a smarter, stronger future.